Alright, so this is a great tool. It's called Visuwords. As you can see, the way to access it is to go to Visuwords.com. That's Visuwords.com. Just hit that in your address bar. Swing on down to Visuwords. This is a great little app that I've used in my ELA classes, and it really brings vocabulary to life for students. So I'll give you a little demo of how it works here. Once you click the Explore button, you're launched into the main functionality, the main page of the website, and it's really open-ended. Basically what you do is type in a word, say let's use the word pedantic as an example, sort of one of our an adjective that's used in ELA classes that's a little obscure, perhaps a level 3 specific, perhaps a tier 3 specific ELA word, given that it's a relatively infrequently used vocabulary word. And so you type in the word and you're given a visual description of the word and its related words. And this key over here on the left, as you can see the cursor, it indicates, it's key for the types and colors of the lines that are drawn between these little nodes. So you might have the word, you might start off with your entry word here, pedantic, where the cursor is. And then you have a variety of different lines that are drawn between the original word and related words. So here in our first example we have this flat solid gray line, which means that it is a word for, it is a colloquial or commonly used word as a sort of shorthand for some of these other adjectives in this case, or it connects most often to these other words, academic, donnish, or pedantic in this case. We can examine some of the other relationships here. If we kind of follow our relationships here, we go from what pedantic is a word for through a derivation to pedant, bookworm, or scholastic. And we're given our definition here. And then we have this new relationship line, this blue-green triangle, meaning signifying that it is a kind of scholar, scholarly person, or bookman. So sort of going from a learned person, a specific type of learned person would be a pedant, bookworm, or scholastic. So this is a way for students to start to develop more of a comprehensive knowledge of vocabulary. Rather than just parroting back word definitions, students will hopefully, through the use of tools like Visuwords and repeated high-frequency use, come to a wider understanding of the words that they learn for their weekly vocabulary lists, say. So if we check out one of these other adjectives here, scholarly, it's a general term that's tied to pedantic here. We can see a different type of relationship on our key here. This red, I guess it would be a diamond shape of opposes. The scholarly opposes its antonym unscholarly. And it is connected to, or is a verb group of, or see also rather, sorry about that, see also intellectual, or if we scroll up a little bit, well, I guess we're not scrolling up, but scholarly, as we can see, we can drag it, actually I think we can drag it, yeah, let's drag it down over here. We can see some of these other words that scholarly is related to. What it is similar to with the red, and what it is also see, meaning related words, I guess, here with the green dotted line. So these are some of the functionalities of Visuwords. It's a great little tool for students trying to learn new vocabulary. Let's try the word phone. So here we have phone, just sort of a shorthand for all these related words, related instances in which the word phone is used as sort of a shorthand. That's sort of what this gray solid line is for. So yeah, Visuwords, great tool for students embarking on a bit of a vocabulary list. We say if they're covering a topic in science, such as the word such as covalent bonds. We could type in even a word like covalent and discover some of the relationships between covalent, our initial entry word, and some of its related words, its common uses, what it links to, what it's connected to, what it is a kind of, and that sort of thing. So cross-disciplinary functionality, Visuwords, great little tool for you and your students perhaps, no matter what subject you teach.